welcome to Pudding with Kids.
My name's Kalia.
And my name's Andrew.
Today we're in Scratch in Andrew's account, Techno468.
So today I'm going to show you my project, Among Us Hide and Seek. So it's not really hide and seek, but it's something. Let's show you it.
Whoa, you found me.
Remember to love and fave. Okay, now let's see the code. So there's a O2, which is the background, and I uploaded it from Google. Then
there's an avatar, which is the imposter, and just call it the imposter.
Yeah, because you only need to find one of them. So when green flag clicked, it'll forever. If mouse down, so if you click and touching mouse pointer, so if like you're clicking on the imposter, it'll show because it's hiding. Then it'll say, "Whoa, you found me!" Remember to love and fave, and then stop everything because you just supposed to find him, and the game ends. And it'll also play a song, "Lying to Me," and then when green flag click, it'll go to random position, so it'll go to a random spot every time you run it, and it'll hide. So to the scribble, I also drew it, just a scribble. When green flag clicked, it'll wait 1 second and then glide 0.5 seconds to the imposter. So it'll start in the middle and then glide. That means go to the imposter, somewhere near the imposter. Then you click around the scribble to find the imposter. So if we didn't have this scribble, then it would be like super duper hard to find the imposter because the imposter would be anywhere and there's no clue where he will be. So now let's play. Oh, I found him! You found me! Remember to love and save. Okay, Kalia's turn. Clap, 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 clap.
Let's see. Where do you go? Where do you go? Here? Here? Let's see what. Here? Huh? Oh yeah, you do.
Clap, clap, one more time. I found him. He was on the edge of the screen.
And there's a pet.
Yeah, pet hamster. Well, it's a little bit easy, but it's okay. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.